How to remove the background from an image in your Canva photo editor just on your device. Firstly, open the image, select the format you want to edit. I will select a logo image because I want to erase the background of any of the subject I will add in this. So let me just select from the left menu. You can see a lot of templates about the logo. You can select any one of them simply to use it for your logo or your company logo. You can also update your own pictures from the upload file section. I will select any of the image from this, like this Disney Plus Hotstar image. I will select and I want to remove the background for this image. I will simply resize it and keep it in the middle of the section, and then you will see here an option to remove. There is a BG remove option. Click on this. When you will click on the BG remove, it will demand for the upgrade, and it will demand for simply to upgrade your account. That is for subscription. You can take a subscription for 1 week about 200 rupees. That is about $2 a week. So then only you will be able to use this feature. But I told you the genuine step how you can easily use it. You can also use free software in this. Thank you so much for watching this.